welcome to today's episode. Today we're replacing the rear struts on my MK4 Supra, and they're a pain in the butt. So because you have the bolt down right there, and you have to take the whole panel out. So we got to remove the panels on both sides. Both panels got to come out so we can get the two nuts out of each side. It's a lot of work, but hey, it's worth it at the end. You don't have to hold up your trunk anymore with these stupid rods or whatever you hold it up with. So stay tuned and learn how to install this struts. Pieces down here. I mean, I had an amp and a sub back here that I still have the other pieces for it, and they're right over here. You gotta just remove all the foam out of the way, the spare tire foam cover, and then you're gonna remove this panel here, which is 2 screws, 1, 2, and a clip on this side. You remove that first. I already removed that on this side. So that's the first. You remove this cover right here, and there's a bolt in there. You remove that. So next, you can't really go past that. So you have to remove the back piece, this whole back piece right here. So the way you do that, there's this clip right here. This is cover that holds these 2 bolts there, and you remove them. I remove them on this side, just a bracket, and then you just pop them out, and then take all the screws right there, right there, and right there, and then you take them off. You want to pop this panel off right here, and this panel has a connector there. So all you have to do is push on this tab right here, and then it'll slide out, and you pull that out, and it comes right out. So in order to do that, you have to remove the back seat and pull on it. Pull it up. Take the seat belts out. Once you remove the back seat, you display the 2 other bolts that are holding down the back seat. Top part, the bottom part just pops off. 2 bolts right there and right there, and you pop the whole seat out. These cars are built right. Now we have to remove those panels. It's a lot of work for 2 little struts, man. They should have made this easier. But whatever, we're doing it. Alright, so to remove this whole panel, you gotta remove the speaker. It's a cover, pops right out. Pop this hole right here. Pops right out. And then you gotta remove a cover there with a bolt. A bolt. Then you have a bolt right there, and then another bolt right there, then another bolt right there, and right there, and that's the other ones you already took out. So then you pop it out, and it's got some clips. You just got to manhandle it a little bit. Pop the clips out. Cool. After you pop that out, you also got to pop these out. That's the trim that goes right there. You manhandle it also. Pop right out. Then you get to here. All you gotta do is loosen up this screw, this other screw here, another one here, another one here. This one you already took out. And then you take out the cover that goes here, which looks like this. Cover that bolt out, and then there's a little hanger looking thing like this. You pop this cover off, and then the screw comes out. And then, for all this work that you're doing, then you find the 2 nuts that are holding the strut right there. So that there's the 2 pain in the butt. So just be patient. All this stuff, you make sure you don't break your stuff. You know, I got some fresh speakers back here already, so I was gonna replace them. But why? When I already have some fresh ones. So I'm gonna replace this strut, and the same thing you gotta do with the other side. This is the mirror on the other side, so I'll show you how they work at the end. Because right now I gotta hold it up with this little stick thing that I made. See a little dent on there, so I can, cause this thing's heavy. Gotta get carbon fiber one to match the front end. So just stay tuned and we'll get this done. Struts, of course, they come with the bolt-on part that you gotta manhandle stuff. And then they come with some hardware. So what we're gonna do, there's some gaskets here that came off, the old ones. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some RTV instead of these seal things. I don't trust them, they're old. So put some RTV, clean it up, and then go from there. All right, so I took these off, and look, boom, 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 boom. You don't want that. So that's why I'm replacing them. That's why I'm doing all this work, and I'm showing you how to do this. Next, you want to clean that off as best you can. Looks good like that. Shiny, no dust marks. And then what are you gonna do? You're gonna create a seal with some RTV around these hole. And I don't want you to do all this work and then you have leaks on your trunk space or whatever you want to call it. Trunk space / seats in the back. You don't want no leaks, so that's why I'm showing you this. You want to just create a seal around your studs to come out of there. I use some Honda Bond, because I had some left from my other job. So now we're just gonna put it in place and tighten it down. All right, so I installed them and they're holding up pretty good. Pretty good. I bring it down. It closes. Pop it. And it actually pops up. So much better. That's how you just put back the panels. All the panels you took off, and then pretty much you got fresh new struts on your Supra. Thank you for watching. All right, so thank you for watching, and that's how you install the struts on the 93 to 98 Supra. Please make sure you follow, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can keep watching the videos I post. I mean, I'm a pro, so I'll tell you straight up how it is, and I'm not taking no shortcuts to show you what I gotta do. So, till next time.